Music. Want to explore crypto? Binance might be your answer. Links are in the description. Binance is a global crypto giant, offering a massive selection of over 350 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to various altcoins. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Binance has you covered. The user-friendly interface makes navigation simple, while Binance Pro provides advanced charting and analysis tools for seasoned traders. Binance shines with its low trading fees, starting at just 0.1% and even lower if you use Binance Coin, BNB. Beyond buying and selling, explore options like futures, margin trading, staking, and yield farming. Earn passive income by staking your crypto directly on the platform. Funding your account is easy with bank transfers, cards, and even PayPal in some regions. Security is a priority, with two-factor authentication, asset insurance, and cold storage protecting your funds. A mobile app keeps you connected on the go. While the platform's vast features might initially seem overwhelming, helpful tutorials and guides are available. From simple trades to complex strategies, Binance caters to all crypto users. Ready to dive in? Check the description for links and discover if Binance is right for you.